Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel on December 16th and step 16 in our Elvis Presley Advent calendar project. Hope you all are liking this little series I'm doing. I think it's kind of cool. I know it's not really a model kind of build, but it's something different and I'm kind of having fun with it. So if you do like it, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. And for all you new people, if this is your first time, welcome aboard. And if you don't mind clicking that subscribe button down below, I would really appreciate it. As for all of my other subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Alright, so let's see what box 16 in this Advent calendar has for us. Alright, 16 is right here, so we'll get that one out. And let's see what's in it. Ooh, okay, hey, look at that. We got a speaker and a backing plate. All right, we get to do some building today. Awesome. All right, before we get into that, let's close up our box so we can add it to our picture here. All right, there's our picture. Looking pretty cool. Not much more to go. All right, let's look at the book and see what it has to say. All right. So this one's kind of cool. The Dodge Charger. So apparently Elvis didn't really have too much affection for Chrysler products, but there was one exception, and that was the Dodge Charger. So in the movie Speedway, where he starred with Nancy Sinatra, they had a custom-built Dodge Charger built, and I believe that was built by, what's the guy's name? Let's say it in here. Oh yeah, Everett Cotton Owens. I believe he built the Charger for this movie. And it was a cool movie, apparently. I don't remember seeing it. I should probably look it up and watch it. But yeah, apparently the Dodge Charger was the one exception to Chrysler products that Elvis liked. All right, so over here, this basically tells us how we're going to install the loudspeaker to our sound base. So let's just go ahead and get on with that. We're going to need our base that we built earlier. I'm going to take this backing off so we don't damage it. All right. So we basically want to take our loudspeaker. Now, there's a cutout right here where the wires need to go. So we may need to make sure that the wires go in there and don't get pinched. So we'll set our speaker in here, like so. Make sure our wires are running through that little opening. Then we're going to run our speaker wire over here. Actually, let's just do that first. We're going to hook up our speaker wire to our sound control module. Make sure you're on the one that says speaker. It's kind of a tight fit in here, actually. All right, that's plugged in. And we'll put our speaker back over here. Alright, get it set down in there. Alright, that looks good. Now we're going to take our speaker cover and we're going to put it over these two tabs, like so. And that really doesn't want to sit in there too nicely, but we'll get it. There it goes. It kind of snaps in place. Just watch that you don't pinch your wires. Alright, now we're going to get two screws from our little toolbox that we made earlier and our screwdriver. We'll get those started. One there. One here. All right, now that those are started, we can make sure our wires are routed properly, and then we can tighten that down. That is in there nice and secure. Our wires are not being pinched. All right, so that is assembled and we're moving right along. Okay, so that'll do it for December 16th. I will see everyone tomorrow on the 17th for the next step in the process of the Elvis Presley Advent calendar. Until then, I hope you're all having a great day. Be safe out there and good go build something.